final video, we'll be creating a feature that includes backend code. In order to do that, we'll use the Tygr new function again. This time we'll add the server flag. Now let's walk through the source directory. The client folder should look very familiar, and the server folder is almost exactly the same. Now, in order to send a feature to the server, you're going to need to register it in the client to server actions. This is a list of action types that the server will accept. So here's their definition. And in the server config, you register them right here. On the client side, we register them in the service by dispatching or register client to server actions from the socket actions module and pass in the client to server actions. From here, just dispatching to the store any client to server actions that are registered will automatically be sent to the server. In order to catch them, in the effects, we'll import of client type from the socket library. And we'll also import the socket actions. I'll remake this. So we only have one action right now. So this is coming from the client. It's being sent to the server. And the filter function actually gives you not the actual action, but a client action from the socket actions library. This action will have the actual action that was sent from the client, which will be of type server feature action, and the session ID of the socket session which the client is connected to. So now if we want to send action back to the server, we have to dispatch a server to client action. And the session IDs, that's just going to be the action.session ID. You can put multiple session IDs at once if you're sending the action to multiple clients. And then the action we haven't created yet, so let's go ahead and create that in the actions. Okay, now back in the effects. We'll add that. Okay, so now let's go into the demo. And well, first let's go back to the source. and pack it up. Now we'll install the latest package into the demo. Just like before, we'll import the Tygr module, socket module, and the server feature module. And in the Tygr server config, we'll add this server store config. Okay, we'll build the app now. And we'll run the build server script. All right, let's refresh. And see we have the socket feature in there. Connected is true. We've registered the client to server actions. So this action, when it's dispatched to the store, will automatically be sent to the server. Alright, so that is a demo of the Tygr framework. The next steps for me are going to be to make the documentation and to add the spec files to the seeds so that you start out with unit tests already written for you. So thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.